Hi traders, you're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh. So I'm doing a put trade here because of what I just observed from here, and I'm going to explain it to you after this trade. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, the market is coming down. Now in this particular trade, I want to explain how we have to analyze candlestick patterns. It's how we have to read candlestick patterns. And if you can watch this video from now to the ending with the trade I take and the explanation, you have an idea of what you can do to better your trades. So okay, and after now I'll do another put trade immediately. Okay, so I'm doing another put trade because the market will continue going down, and I will be explaining these things to you guys by the end of this video. Now this was not the right place for me to take this trade. I should have taken it from this level. So when it comes back here, I think I'll take double trade. But nevertheless, if it does not come back up here, then it shows that the buying pressure is not strong to take it up to this level. So it will definitely close as a red candlestick. So let's wait for some few seconds. We have some 23 seconds left, and we'll see what is happening. So I will show you how you can actually read the market, actually read the narrative of what the market is saying through the following candles. I will show you how to read the price action and the action of the traders involved in that price. So let's wait again and see. Um, okay, now we just did one trade and two trade. Again, I'm going to do another put trade. Let's see. Let's wait and see. No, I won't be doing another put trade. Instead, I will be taking notes. It's a good place to do a put trade, but I will be using this week. In case you did not see it, I will be using this week as a support. Now this candle as a breakout, this candle as a breakout candle. So therefore, I'm waiting for this candle to close below this line here to confirm a change in polarity, whereby this is support because it's a shaving head candlestick. This is the breakout, and this is the retest of support. And now this support becomes resistance, and then the next candle can go down. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this is what is happening. We have 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Okay, I'm still going to do a put trade because this is obviously a downward pressure. Now I put the wick here, but now I need you to understand something. I need you to understand something. I need you to understand something, that this candlestick I drew here is not just the support, it is a whole area which is here and here and here. Okay, this is the whole area, and you see this candle closed inside the area. So therefore, we are going to wait to see that this candlestick will close below our entry point. This is how you trade the change of polarity. And after this trade, I want to read, like I said, I want to read the candlestick patterns for you starting from here, so that you understand why I'm getting the ability to take this trade with confidence. And I know so much of you guys want to know why. So don't go now. Just hold on a bit, and I will be doing that explanation for you. Now let's start from the first trade. Okay, no, this wasn't this is the first trade. This was my two previous trade that I took before I started recording. Now this is the first trade. Now I need you to understand this. I need you to understand this. If you look, let me remove this was the trade. This was the trade, but let me remove this. Now let's come back here. Now if you look at this pattern, this chart like this, you'll find out that it was a downtrend, and when it got to this point, look what happened. There was a consolidation area. Now this consolidation area happened because the pressure in the downtrend failed. Not that it failed, it got exhausted. So it had to build up a new form of pressure. Now, not every candlestick pattern tells a story. There are some candlestick patterns that shows only momentum. They just show you the direction of price, that price is going this way. I want you to understand what we mean by price action. Price action. The candlesticks now shows you the direction of momentum. What about the action of traders within the life of these candlestick patterns? This is where the word price action comes from. Now take note, if you look at this consolidation area, I've not told you, but when you trade in a consolidation area, you do your puts here and you do your calls here like this, right? Now, that aside, when this candlestick broke out, what does this says? Naturally, if you are in a consolidation area and you get a breakout, that breakout is a signal for a minor trend. When we talk about minor trend, this is where minor trend comes from. It's not about this trend like this. No, it is about the action, a signal for a minor trend, a minor change. Now, if you look at this candlestick, it is a reversal candlestick pattern. But instead of this next candle reversing, it did not reverse. It shows that the reversal signaled by this candle was not confirmed. It was not accepted by the market. This candle signaled a reversal, but the market in the second instance could not confirm it. Therefore, the reversal failed. Now, failure, it always shows the direction. So since the reversal failed, this breakout became true. Now, when a breakout happens, you see that this theory candlestick is saying one thing. The market was supposed to reverse. It did not reverse. A breakout happened. So therefore, this theory candle is saying we have a downward pressure. Now, we don't know how long this downward pressure will be, but we know that the last price action suggests a downward pressure. Now, after the downward pressure, what does our technical analysis tells us? It tells us that after a breakout like this, we need the price to retest the key level, right? So when this candlestick came back up, I knew price was going to retest. I did a put trade here. Now, this is not a guaranteed trade because this candle can close as a green candle before it falls. It is not a guaranteed trade. Where is the guaranteed trade? Although I won this trade. Where is the guaranteed trade? Because I know price has told us that the market wants to go down. The market went up and it came down. This is the confirmation that we need to say that the market is going down. Now, this is the guaranteed trade. Why is this the guaranteed trade? I did a put option here and I told you that I should have done the put option at the support that has turned into resistance. Because if this was support, and this broke, this now became a resistance. So I should have waited for the market to come here. But even when the market did not come here, look at this candlestick. The half of this candlestick also acted, the half also acted as resistance for this market, for this candle to come down. Now this candle came down again, breaking this wick here. It broke the wick here. Now this candle had to return back again, and this place that was support changed into resistance, and I did a put trade. This is how it works. This is how it just works. And this is what happened here too. This candlestick broke, this market retest, put trade. And this is how I got this one here, and also I got this one here. So this is just how you read the candlestick. Not every candlestick pattern tells you that the market is going to reverse or the market is confirmed. We have confirming pattern and we have momentum pattern. These patterns here are momentum pattern. For instance, 1, 2, 3 candle is showing clearly the change in momentum because this is like an evening star. After the evening star, we now know, yes, there is the change in momentum to the downward direction, but we cannot trade here. We trade from support and resistance. So when price comes back here, what do? We do the put option. This is how we trade. And when you do the put option, you fold your hand to wait for the next price action. This is how we trade. So I hope you have learned something from this. If this is your first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to get the ebook, you can contact me. The link to my WhatsApp would be in the description of this video. just like it's in every other video. So until next time, I want you to take care and bye bye.